4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woo! Happy New Year, everyone! It's 2025. Did you have a great Christmas and New Year's Eve? Well, welcome to my kitchen. As you know, I am Silly Chef Garby, and we're here to make another amazing meal. Are you ready? Okay, let's go! So happy you're joining the new year with me. It's 2025, another year full of adventures in the kitchen. So today, we're gonna make a very special request from Andy in Keller, Texas. Andy wrote Chef Garby and said that she really wants a yummy mac and cheese. Well, guess what, Andy? Today, we're gonna make your mac and cheese. Are you ready? Come on! Yay, Andy! Okay, before we make our dish, let's do the 2 rules in Chef Garby's kitchen. 1, always wash your hands. And rule 2, always with the grown-up. Now let's get going on rule number 1. Okay, my hands are nice and clean. Are you ready to see what ingredients we're gonna use for the mac and cheese today?
Sharp cheddar cheese, butter, whole milk, sour cream, flour, and salt.
Okay, the secret to making yummy, creamy homemade mac and cheese is you do not want to use this pre-shredded cheese, okay? Now this cheese is good for a lot of purposes, but when we're making our own cheese sauce, there's things inside here that's gonna not let the cheese melt and get all creamy and smooth. So we're gonna put that away, and we're gonna use this block cheese and we're gonna grate it ourselves, okay? In order for us to make this the best mac and cheese where you'll never wanna eat that box stuff again, we're gonna be grating our own block of cheddar cheese using this cheese grater. Now, this is a very, very sharp tool, so it is extremely important that you only use this with grown-ups, okay? You can cut yourself very easily using these sharp graters, so be very careful and only with the grown-ups' help, okay? Okay, you can see I got our block of cheese. I got a glove on so I don't get my hands all cheesy, okay? Now here's how we're gonna use this grater again with a grown-up. Okay, so we're gonna take this block of cheese and we're just gonna very gently just run it down the side like this, and we're gonna grate it. And then if you do it with just the right amount of pressure, you're gonna get your own shredded cheese right here, okay? All right, now let's get this block grated so we can get it ready for our yummy sauce. And voila! What once was a block of cheese is now our own freshly grated cheddar cheese, and this is gonna be so yummy when we get it into the cheese sauce. Let's go ahead and get these noodles in the pot and boiling so we can get them nice and soft. Let's go. Getting steamy in here. Right. Now, I'm gonna tell you what a roux is, okay? A roux is just a base for a sauce, okay? It's gonna help you thicken the sauce. Think of if you're building a house, you first lay the base of the house as the floor, right? Well, the base of any sauce is what's called a roux. So I'm gonna show you how to make a roux. This roux is gonna be a nice light blonde roux so we can incorporate the cheese well. So let's go ahead and get going on our roux and we'll make that sauce. Come on. All right, kids, the moment you've been waiting for. Everything's done. I mixed the noodles with the cheese sauce, and look how good this looks. This looks amazing. It smells so delicious. Fresh cheddar cheese, way better than that box stuff. Now, before we take a bite, let's go ahead and see how this looks like in the bowl with some fresh cracked pepper. That's amazing. Gooey, freshly shredded cheese. Like I said, way better than that box stuff. Easy to make at home with your grown-ups. Kids, if you want to do mac and cheese, do it this way. Classic and delicious. Okay, everyone, thanks for joining me for another episode. That mac and cheese was amazing. Cheesy, gooey, yummy. Andy, thank you so much for sending in the request. I hope you get to make that with your grown-up at home. So parents, if there's a recipe that your kid would love to see Chef Garby make, please send it into this email below and your recipe could be featured next week. Until next time, I can't wait to make more recipes with you for this new year, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.